Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I would fix this error have in PUBG Steam. This cause because in PUBG Steam or in Windows system, this fail like when you play the game or you close it immediately. This have a damage in Windows 10, and I would like show you guys in my video. I have some guys comment. We have in this section here. I have the link for the fail missing in Windows. Okay, gotta download it from here. And cut and open Windows. See this, can open Windows here and go to Windows System 33. Okay, and you paste here. Okay, replace. Okay, now because it is use it and Steam or another program is use it, that way is not can replace it. You need just replace this file and you good to go. And thank you very much guys, and do not forget the PUBG Steam verify the game when you're done from this PUBG Steam. The very important thing is verify the game, because like some mission fail in the game, maybe not started, but this is gonna fix your problem. Let me show you the picture. This problem, if you have it, see here, like it's shown, this fail is been missing in Windows, because this missing, the game is not turned on. That's it guys, and wait for verify and you're good to go. And do not forget guys, subscribe, because a lot of guys watch my video and nobody subscribe, like at 25k. Thank you guys for watch my video, and I would like some guys like my video and subscribe if this video help you. Share with your friend, maybe have maybe it's gonna helpful for other guys. And thank you very much guys for watch my video, and see you soon.